Perry. Right after you came back from Japan, there was this one chance I could see you. It was today in the morning for like 2 or 3 hours, and we didn't film anything of it. Okay, actually it's most of my fault because I'm the one who actually has a good camera in my hands, so sorry. Anyways, now I'm in the bus stop. I'm waiting for our community bus.
Any campaign for this?
我们刚才去吃饭，然后我们回家。
我们要跟我们的朋友Julian 一起回家，他要住在我们家。就是我们不在这里的时候，我们在波兰的时候，他就会住在我们家。
Okay.
Yeah.
Get your mom to read you.
Press here and turn the page.
Yeah, I don't know if you like that.
Oh, he is the one in our family that just loves smelling things.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
这个很像那个 chewing gum.
That's supposed to be gardenia, but I don't know if it really is. Yash is the most interesting one. It's 3 flavors. It's cedar, it's tobacco flower, and one other flavor.
Oh yay!
So should my sister. She said if you could, I'll send in the YouTube video on these guys.
So here's JAS.